I'm here in Ottawa, Canada, in an area known as Alta Vista, and I'm about 10 minutes from the downtown area. And you know what we don't even see more of? Freestanding seafood markets. But these folks at Alta Vista, they got it going on. They got their own joint. It's Pelican Seafood Market and Grill.
Fire away.
The Pelican Grill is definitely my go-to spot for seafood.
Cracking.
The food's always fresh. It's like being at the seashore.
And it's become a family-run Ottawa institution, carried on by brothers-in-law Jim Foster and Mark Roy.
Mark's dad started the business way back in '78, and Mark and I have been partners since 1990.
It just started as a fish market?
Yeah, just as a market, and then we added the restaurant in '96.
And they've got Chef James McMillan cooking up the catch.
Scallops and belly up in the window.
This dish is to die for. Scallops melt in your mouth.
And then the cherry on top of the sundae is a pork belly, which is so rich in flavor.
What are we doing?
Get our pork belly ready for braising here. Start with onions, carrots, celery, garlic cloves, thyme, fresh sprigs. So I'm gonna roast this open, 400 for about half an hour, 45 minutes. We got our apple cider.
Usually get most of it in the pan?
I usually get most of it in there.
Okay, that's
Not
good.
every day. No, I try.
Cover it.
You got
And
it.
go for how long?
3 to 4 hours.
Got it. What are we into?
Our parsnip puree, butter, onion, Granny Smith apples, wabam.
Was that an emerald I just heard? Was that a bam?
So, wabam.
It's a Canada emerald.
We do things a little differently
Yes,
here,
you do.
I know, you know.
Stirs
Okay.
counterclockwise. Now the parsnips,
it.
let that cook down, and then
The cream in the water.
puree it, make it nice and smooth and silky.
It's gonna be tasty, man.
Let's bring this all together.
Okay, scallops, salt and pepper on there, olive oil. We're gonna move right in here. We gotta treat them nice, like your lady there, bud. Back.
You put your lady in hot oil?
So while these kind of rest out, we're gonna start searing off that nice chunk of belly we got there. Here's our jus. Butter, and that's what's gonna thicken it up for us.
Let's see it, Chef.
Our apple parsnip puree, beets, some snap peas, Brussels sprouts, and some green curly kale. Scallops, pork belly, waffle fries, and the jus. Voila.
That's a really good scallop, man. You cooked it perfectly. Super tender. There's great crust. The jus is a really nice compliment to it. That parsnip puree. The time that you all are taking here to braise the belly and to serve it up with the seasonal veg carries it through. Nice job, man. Really nice job.
Scallops going in.
Just lovely and tender and moist and succulent.
The pork belly with a little bit of apple cider gives it that nice crispiness and that subtle dry flavor.
This place has created dishes that make me come back over and over and over